friends, this is Mohammed Shahzad from Repair My Mobile. So today I have a mobile Samsung M205F and I want to of this mobile. So these are my mobile. I want to remove FRP. So it's signing and you have to need to Wi-Fi connection. Escape option now are hidden. So I want to work. So now I'm providing the Wi-Fi connection. Now done. So now click on next button and it is checking for updates. I am speeding my videos because it's taking too much time. And finally now it asking the password, or while driving it asking the wrong password, and you can use Google password like your Gmail account that you have already registered while you have set up the phone on new phone. So it asking old Gmail password, that asking that after you can use. Now I am using this Samsung FRP free tool. It is a not FRP tool. It is open my browser of while bypassing process. It will be open my browser of Google. So simply you can connect your Wi-Fi on your phone. Must be have connected your phone from the Wi-Fi connection have provided on your phone, and connect here and connect. It asks saying Wi-Fi connected on your device. Now click OK and switch on condition. Connect your phone. It will checking your port and it's going. I diagnose your. Open your browser. Click on View tab and your now. This is your Chrome is open now. So click here. Showing accept and continue. You have arbitrary synchronization, so no thanks. Click here and going to the simply now it's asking you the Gmail password. So go to the URL and type here in URL tab. Type here frp.com. Okay, now frp.com. So go here frp.com.apk. It's the main site. Go there and you will get the apk file here and check the frp.com.apk file. It is a bypass Google account FRP. Log all the file of FRP file. So go there and you will get check the set lock screen. First we have make the lock screen. If you are making, so if getting the option, you can make the pattern pin, anything you can, but best thing you can make a pin here. Click do not require for the search. Open your phone while you have booting. So click continue and now provide the pin that you have want to set. So click confirm pin without tapping OK, and now again type that you have typed already. Now yes, okay. Now click skip button on your device. Click skip. Next you can update your Galaxy Store, but it's not need because you have already make the pin password is clearly. So it's another method for Galaxy Store. You can also bypass this Galaxy Store method, but I have already done via pin method because I have already make the pin on this phone. So it's a second method. Now it's back and now restart your phone. Press volume down key, power key, or switch off your phone or restart. Now I'm restarting our phone. It's a series of Samsung and Galaxy M20. Now it is restarted and I want to show you it will be work or not. It's taking time because it's booting and setting. Now it's on. Press up or hold up. Okay, and it asking the password that you have make the pin. So you have provide pin here. So I'm providing 1 2 3 4. Sorry, 1 2 3 4. And now let's go click here. I have it. Click here. Click next. Click next. Okay, and click next because I have already connected my network. Checking for the updates. Okay, now I am speed my video because it's taking too much time. Not too much. After some second it will appearing the Google account password. So you can use pin here that you have provided and set. So 1 2 3 4 already I have done there. Now next, it is showing a skip option now because I have provided the pin password, because I have make the pin here. So if you get a skip password, that means you have already done your work. That means skip and skip account setup, and now your phone is totally bypassed. Click here and accept here, and okay, it's asking for the Google Drive, Google location, click OK. And last is adding the finishing touches, because my bypass of FRP M2058 battery is U8 and Android version is 10. And skip and finish. Now it's all done on my Samsung M205 or M20 series Android 10 version, and battery is 8. Now it's done. Click OK and done, and finally click continue. It's a driver installation. Click skip. If you want to set, you can set, but I want to skip because I have to clarify how to bypass your Samsung FRP. Now finally my phone is totally bypassed and it's reading a screen, and here you will get the all options here, like a phone setting, clock. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Hope you have to enjoy this video, and you can bypass also of this type of M20 series or any Samsung FRP like Android 10, 11 also, and we provide also. Thank you very much for the watching.